Previously, Project Chimera tried to redesign fear and Subject 04 escaped the design. Before Subject 04 vanished, Chimera showed us its first monster, Goliath, a human body scaled beyond every ethical limit. This subject was built to survive damage, heal through trauma, and return from injuries that should end any normal organism. Chimera didn't just copy biology. It tried to turn energy itself into a living organ inside the human body. Subject A09 was not designed to be strong. It was designed to sense, climb, wait, and strike first. Subject 02 was built for pressure, darkness, and cold, a human rewritten for a world without sunlight. Then one chamber opened. Not by accident, not by force, Subject 04 simply walked out.
This is Subject 04, the first Chimera subject who did not panic, did not flinch, and did not fear us back.
They placed him in isolation to study him. But every scientist in the room felt like they were being studied. Subject 04, fear response absent, amygdala offline, neural interface still active. In rare amygdala damage, fear can become unreliable, sometimes almost absent.
His threat center isn't muted. In Chimera's file, it's offline.
Normal fear triggers a chain. In Subject 04, the chain breaks first. They exposed him to stress, confinement, noise, and isolation. His body answered every test with impossible calm. The implant was not there to control pain. It was there to interface directly with the circuits that create reaction.
EBS sends signals into targeted brain circuits. Chimera used it without mercy.
2 agents questioned him for 3 hours. He never raised his voice, never blinked at threats, and never asked why.
Alarms screamed, lights failed, pressure rose. But Subject 04's nervous system stayed quiet like nothing was happening. Heart rate spikes in us. In him, the graph refuses to move. Fear makes people freeze, run, or fight. Subject 04 does none of those things. He simply continues. Pain starts as a signal. Block the channel and warning disappears. If you want to understand what Chimera created, stay with the experiment. Subject 04 is only the beginning. In combat, fear can sharpen survival, but without fear, Subject 04 becomes something colder, pure calculation.
Stay back! What are you?
They asked what he felt when shown danger. He looked at them and said nothing at all.
The normal body warns you. Subject 04's body keeps the secret. Cold attacks the body slowly. Pain warns you to move. Subject 04 receives the damage without the warning. Cold attacks the body slowly. Pain warns you to move. Subject 04 receives the damage without the warning.
This is not a soldier, not a patient, not a weapon yet. This is what comes before the weapon.
Subscribe to After Theories if you dare. We'll be watching.
The most frightening thing about Subject 04 is not what he does. It is what never appears behind his eyes.
So ask yourself one question before the next experiment begins. What would you become if fear disappeared?